A very warm welcome, viewers. This is Kajol Sinha, and at present, I am with Partha Sarthi Mohantasa. So, sir, today we are at the second edition of Guwahati Premier Football League 2024. So, what do you have to say as Assam Police will also be participating this year?
Yes, Assam Police will be participating this year also. And see, the beauty of this tournament is that uh, this is a very unique format where you have club teams, you have institutions, and also clubs from other parts of the state participating here. And at the same time, cricket is associated with this tournament. Cricket Association is associated with this tournament, and actually, in football, Assam had a glorious past. Somehow down the line, we seem to have missed it. We have not been able to maintain it the way we should have been because of many reasons. Nevertheless, now, since last year, a lot of efforts are being made, especially this tournament, to identify talents, to motivate clubs, to organize funds for them, even to motivate institutions in the sense that you have so many sports persons in various departments who joined this service as a sportsman, and maybe down the line they stopped playing and they again coming back and motivating uh, mm, clubs from far off places like Kokrajhar, Tinsukia, and finding talent, discovering talent, and then making them noticed by the major clubs like Northeast United Football Club. And I think this is a very unique tournament and very unique format, and this will go a long way in popularizing the game of football in Assam.
So, sir, who are your players this year, and what is your selection criteria for Assam Police?
Oh, see, Assam Police, we have our own team. We keep changing our players. I mean, see, lot of young brothers come to Assam Police, and as you know, our recruitment process is very stringent. So we actually get very fit boys from all across the state. So getting a spot, getting in the Assam Police team itself, is a very big thing because you not only have to be able to play the game, but also you need to have a lot of physical stamina and physical strength because you are competing with lot others. Like in one go we recruit 5 6,000 people, 6,000 young boys. They're all able, fit, ready to fight, and so I expect a lot from our Assam Police team.
And, sir, what do you have to say about the sports scenario in Northeastern region?
See, we have a lot of talent. Somehow, we need to be more focused. And see, funds is something which is crucial for anything. And so, if we can mobilize funds, if we can spend it in right directions for the right causes, and we can give them platform, and we can make the big teams take notice of them, then our players will be motivated to take sports more seriously because there is no dearth of talent. Only thing is that how we hone talent and how we motivate them to make that extra push to go for it.
And also, sir, lastly, I would like to ask you what message do you want to give to the young generation when it comes to balancing the professional career and sports?
See, usually when you are in school, that is when that is the best time for a sport. So if when you realize you love a particular sport, you have the talent for a particular game, then that is the time you have to go for it. But at the same time, why we need support system? See, basically we are all from middle class families. So in a middle class family, giving education to your children, making them able and eligible for a steady job is more important than anything else. So people go where they see employment opportunity. Why do we say that you should do medicine or you should do engineering? Why? Because we feel that way your employment is assured. So if we can assure employment for other disciplines as well, obviously more people will be attracted, more people will come, and Assam will also have big names like any other country.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your valuable time. Thank you.